Hey everyone, it's James from Jamma Nation X with a quick tip video. I had a request from a customer to make an LS-30 joystick enclosure. And I got this from the seller, but he didn't provide the tool to open up the top of the stick. So right here, there's actually a special tool that goes underneath the stick assembly and pushes up and pops this free. You can do the ghetto method, which is like sticking in a screwdriver that obviously someone has done. See how it kind of gets messed up, but it's pretty easy. If you don't have the tool, you can use something like a Q-tip or cotton swab if you're not brand loyal. So you just take off the cotton from one side as much as you can, bend it about I'd say about a half inch maybe. Just bend it, and on top of the shaft here, you'll see on the not the shaft, at the bottom of the stick, you'll see two tabs. You see one right here, you can see that. The other one's kind of worn, but it's like directly across from it. What you do is there's actually a hole in there right underneath the cap, and you want to stick the thing in there, and yep, see, popped right out. Usually, depending on how tight these things are, you might have to stick them on both sides, because as you can see, there's two holes in there. So you see the Q-tip right there. Yep, that's pretty much it. Alright, thanks for watching.